My name's Tim Daley, and I am the guitar teacher here at Funkytown Music Academy. You can catch me here a couple days a week. I'm an MI graduate. I have been teaching here for probably 2 or 3 years now at this point. And I teach beginners to advanced, everything from country to rock to pop music to anything in between that you want to learn or the student wants to learn. I cater my lessons generally to what the student wants to go and learn, or I will basically use Hal Leonard method books or Cherry Lane method books. A couple of concepts that I teach my students when they first walk in is obviously how to use one of these things as a tuner. I always believe in using a tuner, clip-on tuner or some kind of tuning device for your guitar. Sometimes you can find some good apps out there on Galaxy Store or Google or anywhere you can find online. Some of them are more accurate than others. I tend to agree with these ones here that clip on your guitar because they'll be the most accurate for the most part. Some of the first concepts I teach all my students are basically the first 12 to 25 chords, I would like to call them the open chords. In your first lesson with me, basically what I will go over is just some of your easy open chords such as E minor, A minor, D, G, C, and A. Okay, I'll go over those chords very briefly, but I'll go into it further on as we go into lessons because you want to learn more songs and more concepts that use chords. And we'll get into more of the advanced chords, some of the extension chords, the C add 9s, D sus4s, D sus2s, etc. and down the line. So your first lesson, basically you'll go through your first 5 chords: G, D, C, A, and E. And also your minors, your basic minors: E minor, A minor, D minor, and B minor. These are your open chords because you're using open strings down here on the first 3 to 5 frets. I'll also talk about some basic finger exercises for your left hand to get you moving and motivated between left and right. It's kind of like chewing gum and rubbing your head, bouncing a basketball, almost like juggling, I guess you would say. You're doing multiple things at once. I tend to hold my pick in between my thumb and my first finger. Different musicians will use, different styles of their pick. Some guys like to hold it like this between their thumb and their first and second finger, out like this, Eddie Van Halen style. I'm not really big on that. I tend to tuck it underneath my thumb and my first finger, such as so, and have kind of a loose fist and just relax my hand, but just have enough of a grip. My picks, picks range from thin to super heavy. This is more of a heavier pick that I tend to use a Sharpie. The general standard pick for most of my students, medium to heavy, is what I like to start with. A concept that I use with all my students to get their left hand working in the beginning is just a basic exercise with your 4 fingers. I have my index, my middle, my ring, and my pinky. I just do a 1, 2, 3, 4 without the pick yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then backwards. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. And so forth. And then I'll start putting my right hand. For right now, I'm just going to do down picking right now, just so I can get used to, playing with my left and right hand together here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go all the way down. And I'll go backwards. And so forth. Slow and steady is what I like to call it. The next concept I'll talk about is what's called alternate picking. So we just did down picking right there. So I'm alternate picking now with a pick. Down, up, down, up. Okay, you can see how fast you can get doing alternate picking. So just to wrap this all up, when you play guitar, this is something you need to do and practice all the time with these concepts. Obviously, what you want to do is take some of these concepts I've just kind of explained, take them home and memorize them. And also, you want to work on your chords, memorizing chords, very important. And I'll start to get into scales and other kind of concepts to get you farther down the road to play guitar and learn your favorite songs or wherever you'd like to go with this. Come on down to Funkytown and take some guitar lessons and learn how to play. Thanks.